Look, as a man, I have told you, you should be pushing yourself consistently to improve on your last version. And to do this, you want to go through pain. What I'm basically saying is, anything that's painful, anything that's uncomfortable, anything that you do not want to do that. Because the same reason that you don't want to do it, I promise you 99% of other men don't want to do it as well. But two things happen. The result or the reward on the other side, it'll fill you up with confidence. It'll give you what you were looking for. And then the process that you had to go and endure to get to that will also harden you as a man. So small things, right? Politically correct words, stuff like that won't faze you, bro. In other words, and stop focusing on those little things that the media wants you to focus on, and instead zero in onto those goals. I'll give you a great example where you can do this in your personal life starting today. If you don't like something in the gym, I hate running, for example. I absolutely hate running. Guess what your boy does? Every weekend, I'm putting in 5, 6, 7, 8 miles a weekend, and I hate it. I hate the entire process of it. But what's happening is that I'm hardening my mind to do that one thing that's uncomfortable. I used to hate waking up early. So for the last 5 years, I've woken up at 4:30. Shoot, 5? And that's on vacation. See, the point is you have to harden your mind to do those uncomfortable tasks because life will be filled with hard things. And if you can crumble on the easy stuff, when it gets to the hard stuff that really matters, you'll always fail. 2, always take care of your hygiene. Look, you should do this not only as a form of self-love and self-respect. In other words, how much effort you're putting onto yourself is how much you value yourself. But it's also a form of respect to others. See, how you present yourself, whether you like it or not, sends messages. Before you open your mouth, if you stink, if you look like a slob, if you're a mess, you've already ruined that interaction with that other person. This is why your hygienic routine is important. It's not only going to uplift you up. Yo, when I'm done with my shower routine, I come out smelling amazing. Then I go into my skincare. Then I make sure my beard is on point. Then I apply my fragrance. I step out that bathroom a different man. I step out with my confidence levels on high. This is why I try to look out for you with our brand, He Grooming. See, with He Grooming, our shower bundle, which is our shampoo, our body wash, and our conditioner, all three of them are infused with the premium oil from France. So in France, we have our fragrance house. This is where we produce our fragrances. This stuff is expensive, and as you know, France is the fragrance capital of the world. Tell me another brand that has gone to a premium fragrance house to produce an oil to add to your everyday shower products. None. You ain't gonna find it. You're just not gonna find it. Our stuff is premium for a reason. The ingredients will leave your skin soft, and it'll leave your skin smelling amazing when you step out the shower. This is why for today only, boys, for today only, this shower bundle, all three products are usually about $130. I'm going to take $55 off. I'm literally going to give you $55 off that bundle so you get it at $75, which is an absolute steal. I'm definitely going to lose money on this. Yeah, the profit margins aren't that high on these because it was so expensive, but I want you to smell amazing. So for today only, actually not even 24 hours, I'm going to reduce it to 10 hours because that way I reduce the amount of people or the amount of loss I'm going to take on the orders. For the next 10 hours only, if you click the link down below and you subscribe to the shower bundle, you're going to get it at $75 indefinitely. In other words, if you subscribe and you never unsubscribe, it'll stay at $70. You'll get grandfathered in no matter how costly inflation gets, and you'll always be at $75. It's going to be a steal every single time. And matter of fact, I'm going to spice it up. The next 100 guys that click that link down below and shop, I'm going to give you a free body scrubber. The silicone one, that's $50 on the site. Yeah, I'm going to give it to you completely free. If you guys want to check it out for the next 10 hours, it's going to be linked down below. 3, I need you to connect with more women. And women are a powerful sign of how well your self-improvement is. See, the prettier the woman is, the better the sign that your self-improvement is working and you're progressing. See, if before you started watching your boys' videos and you started working on yourself, you look at your exes and then you look at your current girl, you're like, yo, damn. That's a hell of an improvement. That's the testament of just how much work you've put in and the type of women you can access now. This is why it's so important. Connect with more women. Not only will it do that, but it also cuts off all that desperation and neediness you have when you find that one girl that you really like. 4, I want you to think you've won. In every situation in life, whether you're going for an interview, I want you to think, yo, that job is mine. Whether you're talking to that pretty girl, you need to think, yo, this girl wants to date me. I can tell right now. Every situation, you're going to go into a game. Maybe you're an athlete. I want you to think, yo, this game, it's down packed. We won this thing, right? I want you to think you have won. See, when you win, this has been scientifically proven, even though you haven't won, just the thought or the belief that you've won instantly raises your testosterone levels and your confidence levels, even if that's not true, even if you were lied to. I ran this test myself in one of my recent videos where I told the guy, even though the girl hadn't chosen him, I told him the girl chose you. The girl thought you were attractive. The guy's face lit up instantly. I want you to have that effect or emotion every time for every situation. 5, I want you to reduce debauchery. Simple pleasures like casual sex, getting drunk, partying every weekend, pornography, alcohol, drugs. Bro, this stuff is pointless. All of these are simple pleasures for simple men. I want you to aim higher. I want you to move in a different realm where you are in complete self-control over every single decision your body makes. And the reason this is so important for men, for powerful men, is that throughout your life, there will always be teachers, principals, your parents, right? Then there's government officials, there's governors, there's presidents, there's policemen. There's always these men in positions of power that are telling you what to do, right? And you live your life following all the rules possible. But imagine that the one person that you can actually control, which is yourself, you can't even control because simple pleasures have control over you. How will you ever better yourself as a man? Number 6, I need you to go to the gym. It is single-handedly the best thing a man can ever pick up. You will experience struggle. You will experience pain. You will experience discomfort. You will have to learn discipline because you'll go when nobody wants to go. I'm telling you, nobody wants to actually be in the gym all the time. You will experience growth. You will experience strength. You will experience progress. The gym is single-handedly, it's like the entire game of life packed down in 1 hour that you can play almost on easy mode, that you can play as a training level. This is where you train, where you learn all these experiences that you can then apply across life. Ultimately takes me to number 7, I want you to stay ambitious. Hunger is the number 1 determinant for success, which is why I've always told you, you should work as if somebody out there is trying to take what you have. You should know that when you're sleeping, those days that you don't want to work, those days that you don't want to put in the effort, there's somebody that is putting that effort because he hasn't made it yet. He doesn't have your level of success yet. And that person will outwork you every single time. And I'm telling you from experience, where it gets really hard is once you're successful. Once you have money to keep that level of hunger, if you're able to, that will determine your future success. Boys, that's it for your brother today. See you next time.